As Black Lives Matter demonstrations continue across the United States, Troy's Student Government Association is making preparations to create a unity project to promote racial understanding on campus in the fall.
With everything that has been going on in the world, we want to create, and promote a better sense of unity on campus. And with this, it's more of a proactive way for us to go about doing that.
This Unity project is still in the early stages and doesn't quite have a name just yet, but essentially it's modeled after the Conversation Partners program with Troy's international students, where members of minority student organizations can sit down directly with SGA senators to speak face-to-face about diversity and inclusion on Troy's campus.
So that we can feel comfortable learning about one another, learning about our cultures, asking the questions that we may not normally ask, just being comfortable with one another and learning to love on one another and just promote that unity better than we have before.